Shalom. I want to give all praises and glory to Yahweh Ba'Sham Yahushai Ba'Sham Rakakodash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone that rule well, and peace and blessings to the elect. Alright, this here is Amma 1 from the Great Millstone camp in Trinidad. And coming back to do another lesson. The name of this lesson is "You so-called white people full of pride and it's not even I don't really have a name for the lesson. Basically, I watched this video. I watched the video that the elders from Dallas did. I watched this video here. I watched it over again to get exactly what this devil really talking about. And these men full of pride, boy. Full of pride. This man's name is Stefan Molyneux. And he's a Edomite. He is a Edomite. And this man, what he's saying is that the world looking at the Edomites as a scapegoat for everything bad happening in society. I will leave the link for this video in the description box. This is the elder brother out there in London, Rakaya Kwam page. Alright, GMS Fear the Most High 7. I will leave the link for this video in the description box. But this devil really just don't give a shit. He just don't give a shit. Right now, his mindset is that he's better than everybody, and nobody in close to what he achieved, and nobody can meet what the so-called white race achieved, and they're mad. It's not that, and you know, they like to trying to justify himself or his race for the wickedness that it did in saying such things, that we would be just capitalized and we make things better. We bring more better things to the planet than bad, which is a lie. This is a lie. That is a lie. That is not the truth. The truth is that you so-called white people bring the earth to the state it's in. Alright? You bring it to the state. Don't try and blame the little nigga on the block with the pants hanging off his ass that he is you. Because the nigga on the block with the pants hanging off his ass with a blunt in his mouth don't own Fortune 500 companies that pollute in the air, the water, right? Don't own Monsanto. He don't own Monsanto. He don't own the planes to fly chemtrails in the air. He don't own television to poison the minds of the youths. He don't own radio to poison the minds of the youths. He don't own that. He's a product of your mentality. Okay? The so-called black woman, or Latino woman, or the Native American woman, being a slut and a hoe is a product of your mentality, of what you wanted them to be. That is the image you had for them. So don't try and blame everybody and say nobody just, all of we had the same opportunities, the same advantages in this life, but all you just elevated and nobody can meet all your standards, so everybody blaming all you. And the wall you out of the way. And you so-called white people ain't being persecuted. But they like to play the victim for everything all you do wrong. We is the victim. You so-called white people have some nerve, right? All you have some nerve, right? You understand? Like I did a video. Esau is no longer a brother to our father, no longer uncle to us, but an enemy. You are enemies. This is not something just to persecute all you because all you're white. Huh? Nobody don't want to persecute you all because we's white people. We's good people. Oil ain't good, boy. Oil not good. It have no good in oil. You Edomites have no good in oil. Oil don't do good. Can't do right. Okay? Nobody not trying to persecute oil because oil white. Oil not white to begin with, oil red. You all are the red Hebrew Edomites. Okay? This is Isaiah 26 verse 10. And this video won't be long. It says, let favor be shown to the wicked. So, hey, even if we were to show you all favor, let me look up what I mean in that word favor is. Come from the Hebrew word snow, okay? When the Hebrew pop up, right? Hanan, right? Hanan. Right? And it means to be gracious. So you're showing the pity, favor. Show favor to be gracious, to show them grace. So hey, right then and there, the wicked can be showed grace. So the grace that applies in the New Testament is not for the wicked. And who is the wicked? The Edomites. So let favor be shown to the wicked. Let mercy be shown to the wicked. And let's just find out who's the wicked is real quick. Really quick. Let's find out who's the wicked. Malachi chapter 1 and verse 4. It says, whereas Edom saith, we are impoverished, but we will return and build the desolate places. Thus saith the Lord Yahweh of hosts, they shall build, but I will throw down, and they shall call them the border of wickedness, and the people against whom the Lord had indignation forever. So Edom is the border of wickedness. Edom and Esau is Edom according to the Bible. You see, this word is what gained to these Edomites. This doctrine that we preaching here. Don't get it twisted. This Stefan Molyneux saw videos of Israelites preaching all over the world, and he must be sit down and he carefully listen to it. And then other people talking about so-called white people, and he carefully, and he say, boy, you know what, let me lash out. Talking about the goat is preferred because they're weak and they can't fight back. You devils ever never fight back? Where in history have you never fought? You fight a man for no reason. Juan Guaido. You set up Juan Guaido to fight Nicolas Maduro for no reason. You fight a man for no reason. For his own thing. Covetousness. But you talking about the goat, the scapegoat is preferred because there are shark and there is no scape shark or no scape something else. But the scapegoat, because the scapegoat mile and he don't fight back. Fucking devils, boy. These so-called white people are the devils, eh? They are devil. They are Satan incarnate. They are Satan in the flesh. So he says, Isaiah 26 and 10, let favor be shown to the wicked, which is the so-called white people. So if you show them grace, this is what they will do. Yet will he not learn righteousness. He won't learn to do right because he can't do right. In the land of uprightness, will he deal unjustly, and will not behold the majesty of the Lord. So these devils not about serving Yahweh, but Hashem Yahushai, because they are the wicked that the Bible talk about. Alright? Satan incarnate. And the mad that the kingdom fallen. This devil see that the prophets outside there and the kingdom fallen talking about, well, we should try to, people in society, instead of trying to pull down, to try to advance and build and be better and forget the past. How the fuck we could forget the past? It's our past will have our present in the state it's in. Because slavery, lynchings, rape, robbery, murder, misindoctrination, miseducation, being called nigger spick, wet back black. Our past is what making Jake today be the present way it is. So don't forget, we can't forget no past. To be said, Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai say, forget not the voice of thy enemy, one. And it says that the Lord required that which is past in Ecclesiastes, the 3rd chapter and the 15th verse. It says, that which has been is now, and that which is to be hath already been, and the Most High required that which is past. Most High required that which is past. God, not just we. So we standing up in the Most High stead. And look up what the word past they mean. It come from the Hebrew. Radapa. Radapa. And it means to be behind, follow after, to pursue, to persecute, to run after. And that is what our past doing, is running after we, following we, all even unto this day. And your past following you, because your past that's following you. His bone is full of the sins of his youth, which shall lie down with him in the dust. You devils, your past following you too. To pursue, to put to flight, to chase, dog, attend closely upon, to persecute, harass, follow after him, to run after, to pursue ardently, to aim eagerly, to secure, to pursue, to be pursued, to be chased away, to pursue, to chase. Strong's definition. To run after, usually with hostile intent, figuratively of time gone by. See that? Figuratively of time gone by. So the Most High required the times that gone by. Alright? Hey, and with that, I'll give all praises to Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai. I'm taking that video, I'll still watch the Apostle Lagabaz video. But taking the videos with them, with this same Edomite and the videos that brother doing on them. These devils friggin' prouder than anything, man. Shh. Anyway, with that, I will say Shalom. Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai B'Hashem Rakak Wadash Barakatah. Hopefully you will fight.